at Dalmia High School Grade 2 Division A.
The theme for this Lemon exhibition is Innovation in Careers,
For which we are going to interview two very special people. Here we have Lisa's father, Mr. Alvin D'Souza.
Hi.
and Aurelia's father, Mr. Sandar Nadar.
Hi.
Hello, Mr. D'Souza and Mr. Nadar. Can you please tell us about your profession?
So I am a practicing company secretary by profession.
And I am working as an immigration manager for a Big Four chartered accountant firm.
That's interesting. How long are you in this profession?
So I am in this profession for last 18 years.
Initially, I started with taxation, then I moved to immigration. Overall, I have an experience of 14 years.
Wow, that's a quite long time. Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yeah, sometimes we need to prepare the lengthy documents and drafting we require, and for which we require a solution from you.
Yes, that surely is a tedious job. Do you have any scientific approach that you would like to add to Lisa?
Yes, we could benefit from having an application that can automatically generate these documents as per our requirement.
Thank you very much, Mr. D'Souza and Mr. Nadar. I think we can help you with that.
Wow, amazing!
Yeah, that would be great.
We would like to proudly introduce to you our application, the Document Generation Tool for Immigration and Company Secretary Services. This app was created in an effort to assist our parents by automating the process of document generation in their respective profession.
We use VB.NET as the programming language and a free version of Visual Studio Community Edition as the editor for developing this app. Let's take a look at the working of this app, shall we?
First, I begin by logging into the app. It will take us to the applicant registration form for immigration. This procedure is required for foreign nationals who arrive in India on business visa. We have to enter the details of the assignee, including their passport and visa details. Once these details have been filled, click on the preview button to verify the content. If everything seems fine, you are ready to print the document by clicking on the print button. Press the clear button to clear the fields and repeat the process for the next applicant. Once you are done, you can log out from this module by clicking on the logout link. Now we have Lisa to take you through the second part of the project.
Let's log into the module for Company Secretary. This module will allow you to generate the KYC form, that is, Know Your Customer form used by the company secretaries. This module also works similarly, wherein you have to fill the details of the customer like name of the entity, PAN card and tax details. Then use the appropriate options like preview or print to check for errors and print the document. Use the clear button to clear the entries and start with the next customer. In this way, you can generate the document for as many customers as you want in a short period of time. Isn't that amazing?
We hope you liked our project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anaisha Kuthai from class 2nd A at Dalmia High School. In Milman project, my topic is robotic cake baking machine. Let's introduce my mom and her profession. Hello, Mom.
Hello,
What is your profession?
I'm a baker.
How long you are in this profession?
1 year before, I started baking as a profession.
Have you faced any difficulty?
Yeah, this process consumes a lots of time, especially the baking part and the decoration part of a cake.
What one scientific approach you want to add on it?
I wish to have a cake baking machine which will help me out in the whole process of preparing a delicious cake.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is a robotic cake making machine. Here are the containers which are already filled with different ingredients. These are the command buttons, like there is gram, shape, topping, your favorite color and the flavor. You can choose your any favorite color, toppings, flavors. I will choose 250 gram. I will choose star shape. I will choose chocolate chips topping. I will choose color as my favorite color, yellow. I will choose my favorite fruit. It is so sweet. So that is pineapple. Let's start the part. Here are so many options. You can choose your favorite. Now let's start our process. The machine will take automatically the ingredients and put on it. Now the cake is baking. Now this is a cutter, cake cutter. The cutter cake will be cut in 3 parts. Now the frosting time. There are flavor, icing, color and toppings. Now it will become automatically. Now the decoration time. There are star decorations. Now I stop the button and you will see the magic. Let's stop the button. Sweet, a cake is ready. How in 4 steps a delicious cake is ready. Now it is easily to bake the cake. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anayadeni Akara from class 2nd A. I am inspired by my mom, who is a software programmer and coder. Today I will be designing and coding different planner apps. But before that, let's hear what my mom says about her coding journey. What is your profession?
I'm a software engineer and also a coder. I make games and apps.
How long are you in this profession?
It's been almost 20 years in this profession.
Have you faced any difficulty?
Yes, there are various challenges when we do designing of the apps and when we code the app.
of Tiffin Planner app. We are in the home screen. Let's press this button. Here we have the requirement screen. Your breakfast should contain proteins, vitamins, calcium, calories. Let's explore options. Here we have yummy pancakes, egg, milk and orange. Now I want 2 pancakes. I press them 2 times. And I want 1 egg. I want 1 milk because I want to stay healthy. And 2 orange. Let's press tap me. Here we have what I pressed on. 1 egg, 1 milk, 2 pancakes, 2 oranges. Here are the vitamin, how much I have, protein, how much I have, calcium and calories.
Hello everyone, my name is Alisha Akhtar. Today I will try to find out what happens when we book the aircraft. So meet my father, Mr. Faraz Akhtar, who is a chief cabin crew. What is your profession?
Well, my profession, I'm a chief cabin crew with Air India, and I am responsible for the safety and the security of the aircraft and of the passengers who are sitting inside the aircraft. And as Alisha has told you that we are going to find out today what happens after we board the aircraft. So I'll try and explain it in really brief. What happens after all of you sit inside the aircraft is after everybody is boarded the aircraft, we wait for the important documents to come on ground. As soon as we receive documents, we inform the cockpit, who will be sitting right here, the captain, and let him know that the documents are on board. The captain is going to talk to the ATC. The ATC is the air traffic controller. He's something like a traffic police of the airport, and he will let the captain know when he can push back. After he tells the captain that we are ready to push back, the captain will turn the aircraft, get it onto the taxiway, come to the runway, and then again he'll ask the ATC, are we cleared for takeoff? After they let us know that we are cleared for takeoff, the captain is going to give the full throttle and the aircraft will take off.
How long are you in this profession?
I have been working for nearly 20 years in the aviation industry now.
Have you find some difficulties?
The air profession is a profession where it is full of difficulties, and we encounter difficulties on a day-to-day basis, which are like medical emergencies. We have problems with the passengers at times, behavioral issues. We have malfunction of the equipment, and so on and so forth. So difficulties is a part of aviation profession, and we face them every day.
What one scientific approach you would like to add in Ease Out?
Well, aviation industry is an industry that is based totally on science, and everything is a scientific approach in the industry. But looking at the age group that I'm talking to, I would like to highlight a few points that we can follow. Is number one, whenever we are in the terminal building, make sure that you are with your parents and hold their hands, never leave their sight. Number two, when we enter the aircraft, please make sure that you are seated on your seat and wear your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on, and do not move in the aisle and go.
Hello everyone, my name is Anvi Gupta. I study in grade 2A in Anandanya High School. This video is about the project Nirman exhibition. Theme is Innovations in Career. For my project, I have taken my mom's profession. What is your profession, Mom?
Teaching.
From how long you are teaching?
I'm working as a teacher from 15 years around.
Mom, have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Nothing as such, but nowadays in online classes, what happens when you have a theory subject? The students usually get bored of the class, and we even do not know either they're sleeping or they're listening. What am I saying? Means classes become monotonous. If we can have something like that which can bring their attention back to the class. So this is what I find it difficult in the online classes.
Okay. Mom, can I make something that students are more interactive in the class?
Yes, you can. You can make some small game which can be related to the topic as well, means which we teachers can convert related to the topic, or you can create some polling, or you can create some quiz as well, which we can use in the classes for 5 minutes or 10 minutes when we find the classes are going too boring for the students, so that they will be able to understand the topic very properly.
Yes, I will love to do that.
Thank you, Tanvi.
You're welcome. Hello everyone. To make my mom's lectures more interactive, I have developed an application. It is a kind of quiz and I have named it as Icebreaker. Do you know why I have named it as Icebreaker? To wake the students from their sleep. So let me show you how it works. So here we see the share button. When we click on the share button, we see the two options to log in. One is the code and another is the barcode, from which participants can log in the quiz. I have to show you all. I have already shared it with my friends. Didi, please log in. So I will show you the application in 3 devices. This is the teacher's screen. This is the student screen in the laptop, and this is how it will look like on the mobile phone. This is the full teacher controlled app. Students cannot move to the next question on their own. She had answered, but she can't move to the next question until I move it. Teachers are able to see the answers on the screen, but students are not able to see that. This application can be only used when the class is active, not at any point of time. That is why it is different from any regular quizzes. My mom said she liked it a lot and she said she will be using it in her classes. Thank you. Hello Mama.
Hi Kashmi.
How are you Mama?
I'm fine Kashmi. How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, I have to ask few questions to you.
Tell me.
What is your profession?
Kashmi, I'm a homemaker.
What is the responsibility of a homemaker?
As a homemaker, Kashmi, I have to take care of all the requirements of our home. I have to cook food for you all. I have to take care of my kids and as well as the grandparents of our home, and keeping our home neat and clean, and many more works.
Do you face any problem in your day-to-day activity?
Yeah, Kashmi, sometimes I feel problem, like I feel alone, doing all the things by myself only. You can see since lockdown there was no maid, no staff members are there, and I'm doing all the things by myself. So sometimes I feel there must be some helping hand or helper who can help me in my day-to-day life, day-to-day activity.
to show you my robotic helper. This is my robot. Her name is Rosie. When we press this button, she starts working. Watch. Rosie, start cleaning. Rosie, start sweeping. Rosie, give me a glass of water. Thank you, Rosie. This is how Rosie works. I hope this model will be used for every woman in the world.
What is your profession?
I'm basically a aircraft maintenance engineer by profession.
How long are you in the profession?
It's been more than 9 years I've been in profession.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Not much, but yes, because this profession needs shift duties, so it is very difficult for us to perform those shift duties because it also includes night shifts, which is very difficult to do because at night the performance decreases and also the safety risk increases.
What one scientific approach would you like to add to ease out?
There were many scientific approaches already done to ease out the shift duty patterns, and all the data were gathered shift duties. So I think we could develop an app and everybody can give their input that how much they are doing the duty, which shift they are doing, and what is their health status, and all those things can be streamlined and put in a data sheet like through an app. So it will monitor their health and their mental health and their physical health, and that way complete data could be gathered, and the persons who are having adverse effect of the shift duties can be given general duties.
Like you are making an app which allows people to inform about their personalities and
personal health.
Personal health, okay.
Like they are having this shift, and if they are having any problem after doing some particular shift, they could input in that app, and so one person or one department of the company can gather all those data, and if they think that the person is not having this, but he is having some particular problem with the shift pattern, so they can give him a general duty or another shift, so that there is no safety risk in his profession, in the maintenance profession.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, my teachers and my dear friends. This is a passenger plane. I made it with pre-designed metal plates and with the help of these tools. This is called a spanner and this is called an Allen key. Now friends, let me tell you about the parts of this plane. This is called the rudder. These are the wings. This is the propeller and these are the wheels. Did you know the Wright brothers invented the plane, but it only lasted for 12 seconds. Hope you enjoy this video and like my project. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Krishna Jain. Today I am going to interview my father. What is your profession?
My profession is property dealing.
How long are you in this profession?
For past 2.5 years.
any difficulty in your professional?
Yes, so many difficulties I face.
After hearing my father, I have come to the conclusion. Here is the video. Thank you for watching. Respected ma'am and my dear friends, I am Visha Parekh, studying Anadama High School, grade 2A. The topic for our annual project is innovation in career. So friends, I do not want to take big examples of businesses. Instead, I will do my project on my dad's business and take it to the next level. As the saying goes, like father, like daughter, I wish to become an entrepreneur, a business tycoon like my dad. So friends, let's meet my father, Mr. Ankur Parekh, who is a businessman. Hello Daddy, can you please give us a small introduction of your business?
Good evening, my name is Ankur Parekh and I am doing chemical business. Chemical which is being used for multiple purpose and is being used by multiple industries like paint, pharma, ink, color and many more.
How long you have been in this profession?
I have been in this profession from last 14 years.
Have you faced any difficulty in your business?
Difficulties, we do face many difficulties in business, but from last 2 years we are facing difficulties in international pricing, wherein the international pricing are going very high, and because of that our costing has increased, and that leads our profit margin has come down.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
So friends, now we got the idea of what chemical my father used. The chemical that used to make sanitizer and printing press. Now, the question is how I will take my dad's business to the next level. Till now, we used to supply chemical to other industries and they used to make sanitizer and supply it in the market. But now, we will make our own sanitizer and supply it in the market. Nowadays, the use of sanitizer has increased a lot in this corona period. So let's start making sanitizer. 70% IPA.
IPA means isopropyl alcohol.
10% aloe vera gel and 20% water. Mix it properly.
By the time she makes sanitizer, let me show you the profit aspect, how it works. The cost of 1 liter IPA, isopropyl alcohol, would come around almost 100 rupees. And in 1 liter IPA, we can make 1.5 liter of sanitizer. So by that way, the selling cost comes around to 160 rupees. So if we deduct production cost, which is almost 20 rupees from it, still we can have profit of 40 rupees, which is quite good.
Abhyana's sanitizer is ready. I think with Shakti. Now that we have a helping hand of each other, we will sell our product not only in Maharashtra, also in other states of India. The technique which we will follow for our business is online marketing. We will sell our sanitizer online on famous sites like Amazon, Myntra, etc. We will register our company on India Mart, where wholesalers and dealers can contact us for bulk purchase of chemicals. In next 5 years, we wish to see ourselves as one of the well-known firms in India. Thank you.
Hello everyone,
My name is Viana Sunil Jain. I study in NL Dalmia High School, grade 2A. Today I would like to take interview of my father, Mr. Sunil Jain, regarding his profession. So please join me. Hello, Mr. Jain.
Hi, Viana.
Good evening.
Very good evening, Viana.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Viana.
I would like to interview you regarding your profession.
Sure, Viana.
So let's start. My first question is, what is your profession?
Viana, I'm in a stockbroking business. My firm name is SR Consultancy.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, Viana.
My second question is, how long are you into this profession?
Viana, I'm in this profession since 2007, almost 17 years.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
My next question is, have you find any difficulties in your profession?
My business, it's a risk-oriented business. Day to day, there is pay-in and payout settlement of the clients, which is managed by my risk management.
Okay. My last question is, what scientific approach you would like to add to easy out?
Nowadays, the SEBI have came out with very new rules and guidelines, which is right now very helpful for my business. They are taking the care of everything, compliance and each and everything.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Viana.
Hello friends, so let's discuss some pros and cons of stock market. The advantages of stock market are portfolio diversification, risk management, reduction of transaction costs, liquidity, transparency and convenience to unit holder. And the disadvantages of stock market are no tailor-made portfolio, no control over cost, managing a portfolio of funds, dilution and high risk. Thank you. To respect all my teacher and principal, I am Harsh Paik, students of grade 2, division A, roll number 40. I want to explain my project for Nirman. I choose my mother profession. My mother was a school teacher, but she is now a homemaker. I want to know about his profession. This is my mom, Kanya Pai.
Thank you for introducing me. What do you like to know?
What is your profession?
I am a homemaker.
How long you are in this profession?
I was a school teacher, but after your birth, I left the job to look you. Now I am a housewife. I manage everything of our family. I also help you in your study.
Have you faced any difficulty to manage home?
Of course, I have to face lot of problems to manage home.
Can I help with the problems?
Of course you can. Let's figure out how you will help to me through technology.
Okay, thank you. After much thought, I decided I will make a vacuum cleaner. My mom have to face many times in kitchen, sometimes cooking, ingredients spread on the floor. It takes a time to clean. Small vacuum cleaner can help to clean quickly. Now I am showing you how I made this small vacuum cleaner and how I made this mini vacuum cleaner with the help of my father. I made this with a bottle, a small pipe, wires, a motor, net and the propeller. I set this vacuum cleaner with 2 modes. I can start with battery and also it works through electricity. This is nozzle part, cleans the dust and dirt from floor through this. Now I am showing how it is works. When I connect
this wire in an electric plug, it starts. If I touch it on the floor, it will pull the dust inside.
Good morning, everybody. I am Deep Mehta with my daddy. I am going to take an interview of him. Hi, I am Darsh Mehta. Today I am going to take an interview of my daddy too. Let's begin. Daddy, I can ask you some questions.
Yes, beta, sure. Go ahead.
The first question is, I want to know what is your profession?
I am a telecom professional having an experience of more than 15 years in this field. Primarily, my team supports all the telecom field engineers and provide them a technical support for better customer experience.
What telecommunication means?
Telecommunication means electronic data transfer to a certain distance by cable, Wi-Fi, satellite, etc.
What is the role of telecommunication engineer?
Telecommunication engineer plays a major role in to maintain the network. That particular engineer do installation, commissioning, fault repair. They are available round the clock. They are monitoring each and every network device. For example, few days back our FTTX, fiber to the home connection, went down. Who came to repair this? That particular thing? Telecom engineer. Telecom engineer visited our place, he rectified the fiber cable and our connection got restored.
I want to ask why you have selected telecom industry.
Because telecom is a fast growing industry. It is the backbone of all other automations. Telecom is required to connect all the interconnected devices, and I wanted to part of those innovations where now we are moving towards the 5G.
Thank you, Daddy. Your input will help us to make Nirmal project.
Welcome, beta.
I am Deep Mehta, roll number 36. I am Darsh Mehta, roll number 16. We have created project on telecommunication. Let's understand what is telecommunication. It's process of transmitting information over a distance by an electronic system. This information may take the form of voice, data and videos. Electronic transmission includes telephones, lines, cables, microwaves and satellites. Now let's understand the evolution of G1, G2, G3, G4G and upcoming 5G. 1G only supports voice communication. 2G digital voice low speed data. 3G mobile broadband high speed data. 4G faster and better than 3G IP based network high speed internet. 5G very high speed data interconnecting device sensor and system. Now let's understand benefits of 5G. 5G is up to 10 times faster than 4G. Ultra low latency. Better network coverage. Technology to gather all network on one platform. More efficient. One more we can watch cartoons and multiply screens seamlessly. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jivansh Purohit. I study in grade 2. Today I am going to talk about innovation in career chartered accountant. It is quite difficult to choose a career. A whole life of a person depends on his or her career, and so must have aim in life. An aimless life is like a ship without an anchor or a letter without address. So that's why I have chosen chartered accountant. My dream is to become chartered accountant has been firm. A chartered accountant is a complete professional in field of accountancy. It is a well-defined job with opportunities in government and private sector. This field pertaining to finance and business within within the country and abroad. It is a respectable and in-demand professional which also pays well. A chartered accountant are professional who works in various sectors of the economy, managing the finance of an entity, providing financial advice and helping out with money management. Good CAs have opportunities in field of goods and service tax GST. After implementation of goods and service tax GST, demand for CAs has been increased. International taxation. Nowadays, more and more international transactions happening, so demand for professional expertise has been increasing in area of international taxation. Wealth management. Nowadays, CAs are hired to give professional in field of financial and investment advice and retirement planning. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Can I check your CV, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. So tell me about yourself.
So, I'm a chartered accountant with more than 14 years experience in banking sector. I started my career off with HDFC Bank. At HDFC Bank, I was into operational management role, and I have been handling that. I was handling that role for more than 4 years. Post HDFC Bank, I joined Reliance Capital. At Reliance, I was handling credit management and risk management roles. I have handled various products like auto loans and construction finance. Post Reliance, I joined Yes Bank. At Yes Bank, I have been handling risk management and policy profile. Currently, I am handling a policy for SME product.
How can you add value to your organization?
So as you can go through my CV, I have handled many innovative projects and I have successfully implemented the same, and this innovative project had led to considerable time saving and cost saving for the entities which I have worked for. So I am sure that my expertise in innovating the processes or innovating or introducing new products would definitely help to the organization.
Why are you interested in this job?
So I had gone through the job description which was shared with me on email, and this job description aptly suits the kind of roles that I have handled till date. and there are a couple of more things which entices me to join this organization. One is your company is coming up with a new assignment or a new product wherein I'm sure that I can add value basis my past experience. So this is the main reason why I would like to join this particular profile.
Thank you, Mr. Manas. It was nice meeting with you. We will let you know.
Thank you.
Career. The next meetings. M.A. Purohit and Company Chartered Accountant is in Mumbai. ABC Limited client office is in Delhi. Earlier, Mr. Purohit had to fly from Mumbai to Delhi, which involved high cost and time. Now, with introduction of WebEx meetings, Mr. Purohit can connect to ABC Limited client office without traveling to Delhi.
Hello everybody, my name is Joy Samir and I study in NL Dalmia High School and I am in class 2A. Today we are going to talk under Nirman exhibition, consumer awareness on food labels. Be aware, be safe. We eat many foods in a day. Some we make it in houses and some we purchase from shops. Some are cooked before eating and some we can eat it as is. Most of the people notice that when we purchase from shops, they give us in a packet. There is some information behind the picture on the packet. It is called as the food labels. As consumer, it is our right and is also important to read and know about the ingredients put in the product. Hence, it is very important to read food labels and to know about what all ingredients are put in the product. Moving on to, there are some common points we read on food labels. For example, cost or price and quantity of the packet. We also read the expiry date of the packet to know about the how much the product can be how much time the product can be stored for and where to store it. We are also attracted towards the promos and offers. Remember 1+1 scheme, buy one get one free gift and 30% off. Moving on to certain additional points to read on a label. For example, veg and non-veg logo. It helps us to know that if the product is made up of plant sources or animal sources. We should also read the ingredient line, which tells us what all ingredients are put in the product which we are eating. We should also read the nutritional information, which helps us to know what all ingredients are put in the product. For example, protein, carbohydrates, sugar, salt, fat, etc.
Good afternoon everyone and my dear friends. Today we are going to talk about my father's profession. What is your profession?
My profession is in hospitality industry. I am working as a regional manager in South region at Azur Hospitality. This is a restaurant based company where I handle 8 restaurants and new openings.
How long you are in this profession?
I am 18 years in this profession. I worked 2 years in India first, then 14 years I spent in Dubai, I worked at various five-star hotels like Sofitel, Intercontinental, Marriott's, and other brands. Currently, I'm working at Azure Hospitality since 5 years. It's a Delhi-based company.
Have you faced difficulty in your profession?
Yes, last year, like in 2019, when COVID pandemic happened, so the whole world and India was in lockdown. That time we were at home, and many of them has lost their job. That time when we came out of the COVID situation in October, November, we started our business in Cloud Kitchen. Basically, it's a home delivery. That time we had a very difficult time, but we overcome and we have come back into the industry, and we are opening more of Cloud Kitchen, basically delivery kitchens.
My father works as restaurant manager in hotel. They serve healthy and fresh food to customers. They give best memories and experience to the guests. Their hotel is famous all over India. We should eat healthy food and fresh food. This is my father's food menu, hotel food menu. This is healthy breakfast. Healthy breakfast is peanut butter, bread, eggs, spam, boiled egg, banana and watermelon. This is high protein. High protein is squid, kidney beans, cheese, etc. We can order food from Zomato and Swiggy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am reporter Sakshi and I am reporter Neet Bhandari from Dalmia. Today we are here to take interview of a baker who is very famous in this area. So come, let's go in. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
We are reporters from Dalmia. We heard a lot about your bakery and so thought to view your shop. Can we?
Sure.
Thank you. Wow, this cake looks so yummy. Can you please tell me about this cake, the price and its flavor?
This is Choco Fantasy. It's 450 per half kg. This is Choco Fuzz cake. This is pineapple flavor. And these all are prestige.
Wow, they look so yummy. Did you know who was the baker we met? She was our mother. So come, let's meet her. I'm so proud to introduce you all to my lovely mother, Mrs. Shashi Bhandari, who is working as a baker. So, Mom, my classmates would like to know more about you. Even my classmates also. So, can we take your interview? Sure. Okay. How long have you been in this profession, Mama?
I'm in this profession from 2015. As cooking and baking was my passion, that's why I chose it as my profession.
Okay. Did you face any difficulties?
Yes, I have faced many difficulties in this work, as you were very small that time, so it was very difficult to manage home as well as my bakery.
People say that cakes are not healthy for our health. So, what do you want to say about that?
Excess is not good anywhere. If we consider and follow some things in your work, it will not be harmful. We should take care of freshness. We bake cakes only on order. We take care of cleanliness and hygiene. Even we bake sugar-free cake, diet cakes, wheat cakes and many more options. Depends on customer choice.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, Mama! Which theme cake you are making?
I'm making Spider-Man theme cake.
Oh.
And I'm using these toppers.
Very nice cake, Mama.
Thank you, bacha.
Oh wow.
Saki, how's it looking?
Very nice.
Mate, do you want to eat?
Yeah.
I will make for you also, okay?
Okay. So friends, we all come to a conclusion that cakes are a symbol of happiness. As we all say that we cannot buy happiness, but we can buy cakes. We all like cakes. There is no one who doesn't like cakes. But it is not an easy task. Bakers have to update with technology, flavors, designs and customizations according to the theme and occasion. And most importantly, taste with health. And I will recommend you all to visit this bakery shop. Please like and follow my mother's page on Instagram. Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. I am Nidarji from 2A. I am doing Nirman project with my father. He is my father, Alpesh Darji. Our topic is financial awareness. What is your profession?
I am a banker. I help my clients to achieve their financial goals and build financial portfolio.
How long you are in this profession?
I am in this profession for last 12 years.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yes, I have faced and encountered many difficulties and challenges while dealing with my clients, where I see most of my clients are not doing their investment based on the proper research. They just do a random investment without doing any analysis.
What one scientific approach would you like to add to it, like to ease it out?
Well, I feel everyone must consult their financial planner before doing any investments and do thorough research for all the financial products and avenues which are available in the market. One should not do a random investments based on the herd mentality or they should not chase the returns based on the past performance. They should do proper financial planning. They should understand the risk appetite, what are the correct products which are available and suitable for them, what is their objective, what are their requirements, and accordingly they should invest into the financial products, because there are so many products available in the market which confuses most of the investors. So it is always prudent to have a correct advice, to get a correct advice from a financial planner to achieve their financial goals.
As described by my father, I suggest everyone should consult financial advisor before doing any investment. Thank you.
What is financial literacy? Financial literacy, or financial education, is the ability to understand and effectively apply various financial skills, including but not limited to personal financial management, budgeting, savings, and investing. Financial literacy is essential to understanding and developing good short-term and long-term financial habits that lead to a greater financial well-being. As an example, sometimes as consumers, we are unaware of the financial consequences of taking on too much personal debt and having little to no savings. In addition, the lack of disposable income also creates the inability to deal with unexpected emergencies that may arise or receive proper financial counseling. So how can financial literacy help students? Financial literacy helps individuals become self-sufficient so that they can achieve financial stability. By being financially literate, one can be efficient with their finances and hence achieve more goals and maximize the value of their income effectively. This allows individuals to make less financial mistakes that could have a negative long-term impact in the future.
Yes. Please tell me about your profession.
I am an aircraft maintenance engineer and my expertise is on helicopters. I have been in this field for more than 25 years. Currently, the company I'm working is involved in oil and gas exploration, and we are also using helicopters for transporting passengers to in certain states where the roads are inaccessible.
Why did you choose this profession?
I always wanted to be an engineer, and aviation, I think, attracted me more because of the glamour associated with it. But when I joined the field, I realized aviation, or rather aeronautical engineering, is a very vast and rich subject, and you do get to learn a lot. It was a little difficult initially, but later on it sort of became a passion. And considering that there are newer technologies, newer systems being developed worldwide, it opens up a window to increase your knowledge about the aircraft, helicopters, or the industry.
What are the future prospects?
I would say aviation has a very bright future in India. Considering if we talk about civil applications for helicopters, civil aviation, civil helicopter industry, it is not as diversified as it is in most American and European nations. But recently it was in news that our country had indigenously built a light combat helicopter specifically for the defense. Since India is in the forefront, I see a very bright future as far as defense helicopters are concerned, as well as more and more diverse roles for civil helicopter industry. And yes, the future is very bright, and I would definitely encourage a lot of people to explore. And if you do find that you have a passion, then please come into this industry, and I'm sure it will be a great experience.
There are different types of helicopters. This is a Bell 212 helicopter model. A helicopter can fly in different directions: left, forwards, backwards, left, right, up, down. A helicopter can be used for multiple purposes. A helicopter can be used for transporting passengers, medical ambulance, for firefighting and rescue missions. A helicopter plays a vital role in our country's defense system. Hello Mom, welcome to Nivan Institute.
Hello Nivan.
What is your profession?
I am chartered accountant by profession and working with one of the reputed firm.
How are you in this profession?
It's been 10 years I am in this profession.
Why did you choose this profession?
I choose CA as CA has a great respect in society. It offers a great flexibility, stability and security. It helps in nation building.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yes, difficulties as such go hand in hand in every profession, but they are manageable. But I feel regretful when people enter business premises, public premises, private premises, government premises, even though they are not completely vaccinated or they are partially vaccinated. This increases the risk of catching the infection and also the spread of COVID-19.
A very warm welcome to Nirmal 2021. Where there is a will, there is a way. On this note, I, Nivan Mehta from 2nd A, would show an application. This application will not only help my mother, but the whole fraternity of operational business. As per Government of India, people who are fully vaccinated can visit
public offices, government offices, private offices, etc. to easy this work. I have developed DigiSafe app. Click on the icon. Verification time. Enter your Aadhaar card number. Give some time. Submit. Fully vaccinated. Let's try another Aadhaar card number. Give me some time. Submit. First dose completed. Enter your Aadhaar card number. Give me some time. Submit. Not vaccinated. So friends, with this simple app, we are servicing our nation too. Thank you.
Respected teacher and my dear friends, today's my project on innovation in careers is one actually needs lot of innovation, and importantly it requires lot of recognition worldwide. My topic is homemaker and ignored profession. Yes, homemaker is the full-time profession which sadly has not recognition it should actually get. I proudly say my mother is a homemaker. She also had other ambitions. She was working at radio station and was taking dance classes, but after my birth, she chose to change her profession and become a homemaker. So let me introduce my mom. Welcome mom, thank you for being a part of my project. So let us start. Why did you change the profession after my birth?
After your birth, I had two choices, either to continue with my radio station job or to take over the role of as a homemaker. So I chose become a homemaker as it was more challenging and something I had not done even before.
Now given an option, will you go back to 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job?
No, I'm more than happy with this role and I feel I have learned lot and innovate as a homemaker.
Your views on homemaker as profession?
2 points. First is, it is probably most underrated profession. No holidays, no promotion or increment, and very little recognition. Second is, one thing that needs to grow is acceptance of male as a homemaker in India.
Love you mom. Now let me show you my mom's daily schedule through my model. At 6 a.m. she wakes up and goes for a walk. At 7 a.m. she drops me for coaching and makes breakfast. At 8 a.m. she does morning routine and puja. At 9 a.m. she picks me up from coaching and she gave me milk and breakfast. At 10 o'clock she takes my studies. At 11 o'clock she prepares lunch. And at 12 o'clock she gets me ready for school. Her work continues throughout the afternoon. And at 5 o'clock she goes for an evening walk. At 6 o'clock she makes snacks for everyone. And at 7 o'clock she helps me for homework. And at 8 o'clock it is dinner time. And at 9 o'clock she cleans up the kitchen. At 10 o'clock her day ends. This is my mom's schedule. Now let me tell you few challenges of a homemaker. First, dependent on earning member for finance. Second, what do you do every day? Common question that every homemaker faces. Third, very little me time. Always other family members get priority. Fourth, most importantly, comparison with other working people of the same gender, say neighbors or cousins. My wish. Every homemaker should have a visiting card like any other working professional. Second, family should give a fixed salary to homemaker as her income. Third, other family members should take responsibility in helping the homemaker. Fourth, homemaker should be considered at par with any other profession. Fifth, it should be the part of the school syllabus for children to know the importance of the homemaker. This was my project Innovation in Careers. I have used cardboard papers, used gift box, sketch pens and some cutouts. Of these things I have made my model of homemaker. Thank you. My lunch done. Afternoon. Good afternoon, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ritwik Galvi. I am in grade 2A. Today I am going to ask some questions to my mom about her career. Hello, mom.
Hello, beta.
What is the profession?
I am into HR and admin profession.
How long you are in this profession?
I am from last 15 years in this profession.
Have you faced any difficulties?
Yes, I have faced many difficulties when I started my career in HR and admin. But now it is a modern world and HR is developed so very fastly and have planned very different types of recruitment, different types of training programs to the employees, which benefits the companies as well as the employees too.
This is our project. This is the office. This is the HR and admin department. HR is a bridge of communication between employees and company. HR deals with employee relation, recruitment, compensation and benefits admin. Admin on the other hand handles most of the day-to-day office work, including payroll, management, personal records, and etc. Thank you. When you enter in the office, you can see chairs, tables, record files, and many more, laptops and many more. There is a conference room, there is a round table and many chairs for discuss HR team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shiraz Maliwal. I am studying in Adulana High School, grade 2A. Today I am taking the interview of my father who is a chartered accountant. So let's start. Hello teacher and my dear friends. My name is Nazir Bangar from 2nd grade. I am studying in Adulana High School. Today I am taking the interview of my father who is chartered accountant. So let's start. What is your profession?
My profession, I am a chartered accountant and he is my partner, Mr. Hemant Maliwal. We both are partner.
How long you are in this profession?
We are a chartered accountant since 2012, but it's almost taken 9 years now. We have completed 9 years.
Oh, 9 years. Great. Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yeah, normally there are lots of problems we are facing on daily basis in our profession, but now I am highlighting one of them, which was very difficult for us. We, in our profession, we are doing physical verification of the assets, which is situated in different areas of the India. So the person is going to the locations and do physical verification of the assets, and the papers which he verified sent us to by courier, and then after when we receiving that courier, we check that there are lots of mistakes done by the auditor. He doesn't put the name properly, and that things. So we were facing this problem since last 3 to 4 years.
What one scientific approach you want to try to add to this out?
So, after getting this concern, it was very serious for us because it matters to us as a close part also. So, we have started using social media to ease this out. And what we have started is that once a person will go there, he has to use the smartphone there. He has to do the process flow which we have given to them, and then he has to send that pics to us. So our team member in Mumbai has to verify all the documents and then have to give the go-ahead to him so that he can go.
Okay, now I am showing how to solve the problem. Okay, Mr. Andre. Okay, Mr. Andre. Go for Stockholm. Okay. Now I am going for the stock audit of Mumbai location. Name Ford. Number, location Mumbai. Unit 1. Okay. Okay, Mr. Radhik. It's done. Now you can go for next location. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Yadav. Today I will discuss it about my parents' profession. What is your profession?
I am banker working in retail branch banking Yes, branch operation manager.
How long you are in this profession?
Last 20 years, I am working in retail branch banking.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yes, while attending customers in retail branch banking, customers waiting long time for banking services.
What one scientific approach you can easy out?
Yes, customers are waiting long time for banking services. Bank has started digital platform for their customers. Now, Rudra Yadav will explain you about digital platform.
Through the digital banking with a finger click on smartphone, desktop or any other digital device, customers can easily make transaction, check account balance. It is convenient to do required transaction 24/7 even on holiday. Digital banking is safe and very helpful to customers as well as bankers like my mother. Hello everyone, I am Satvik Srivasan and I am from 2nd standard A section in NL Dalmia High School. I welcome you all for my Nirman project. Daddy, could I ask you some questions for my project?
Yes, sure.
What is your profession?
I am a supply chain professional.
How long are you in this profession?
I am in this profession for 17 years now.
Ooh! Have you had any difficulty in this profession?
Nothing is difficult, but please make a note that there is always a place for growth and learning opportunity.
Okay. Scientific approach you would like to add to ease out?
Okay. The one scientific approach I would like to say is always have the complete details in front of you to ease out things.
Okay. Okay, Daddy. I'm gonna make a model of your profession.
Wow, that's great, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Welcome.
With help of my mom, I am doing this project. And I am cutting all these papers. I will paste it all to a wonderful model. Now, I am sticking in this paper on this cardboard or to make stiff. Now I'm gonna tell you what I done in the Nirman project. Procurement is a part of supply chain. As I already tell you, my father is a senior manager of supply chain. So now I'm gonna tell you that what is procurement and all the responsibilities of my father. Procurement can be defined as a process of acquiring goods or services from a third-party vendor. As supplier manager, he has to evaluate supplier to interviewing vendor. The responsibility is visiting supplier plants. And the fourth one is attending trade shows and meetings. The fifth one is enrolling price and financial reports of the company. Here comes the main part, negotiation. The next one is collaboration with suppliers. Eighth one is collaboration with staff members for meeting the standard. The ninth one is monitoring the and evaluation of enrolling contracts. Last one is maintain and Dikshita Kokole Miss, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
A very good morning to Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and all my lovely friends. My name is Sriyanshi Sinha. I am from grade 2A. Today I am going to interview my father on his profession. What is your profession?
As a profession, I am working in software industry as a ERP project manager. What is the next question?
Okay. How long you are in this profession?
From last 14 years, I am working in software industry. I started my career as a software implementer. The next question.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Yes, I faced difficulty in my profession, which at the time of COVID-19, as my client is basically real estate or infra company, and to convince them for the online training and implementation of ERP, but we put our full effort to make a process which really liked by the industry, and they love to accept the online process. What will be your next question?
What one scientific approach you would like to add to Age Up?
As I work in the software field, and nowadays apps are the more liked by Indians, and they love to work on app instead of other process. So I decided to make app for those services which are still working on the legacy ways, and then I decided to do something in the field of spiritual need like puja bookings, Janam Kundli, etc., and make apps named as a Puja Havan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I am going to explain you all my project Puja Havan app, which is made for Nirman. Puja Havan app is made to cater the spiritual need of Indians. Why we think of making this app? A decade ago, majority of the Indian market was unorganized, but now the major markets in India are dominated by a few apps. Education Byju, Vedanto Topper, Shopping Flipkart, Amazon, and for spirituality and religious services we get pujahavan.com. Vision: to become India's biggest online platform to service spiritual need of the customer. Observation of Panditji and customer. Panditji: underutilized time and capacity, uncertainty of getting customer, inconsistent of daily income, haggling for price. Observation of customer. Searching of Panditji is now reference dependent. Unavailability of Panditji in peak season, inconsistent in price, hectic in arrangement of puja item, follow up and tracking of Panditji is a task. Our solution for Panditji: occupies time and capacity, cashless transaction, ancillary income option, social empowerment. Our solution for customer: assured on demand availability, upfront pricing while booking, cashless transaction, brand trusted online tracking. This is our product feature. App for customer, and this is the Puja Havan app for Panditji. These are the services of puja. The puja list. This is the booking information. This is the select date, select time, select language, select zip code, select with Havan with puja materials and Havan with materials. These are the description of puja materials. Materials you have to arrange. Now you can book the puja. These are the booking details, and these are the address location. These are the materials, and these are the price details. Now you will pay now. Successful. Now we will go to the Puja Havan Panditji app. The Panditji will accept or reject the puja. Thank you. Hello teachers and my dear friends. They are my parents.
Thanks Neha for the video. Myself Raman Pujari, Shweta Pujari is mom of Fihan.
Mummy, Papa, what is your profession and how many years experience do you have?
So we are into finance and limited information systems. We are having around 10 to 12 years of experience.
So we deal with lot of data. To give information to the company, we have many data to process. So our main issue is to deal with the data and how we give it to the company. So our project for today is data integration.
We have before data integration, there were 8 steps for gathering the information. Like salesmen reach out to the company to know the products, and he reach out to the client for selling those products. Then after selling those products, again we need to reach out to the company for collecting the After we reach out to the manual process of preparing the bill and hand over clients, and the billing system then reach out to the data management systems for gathering the sales of the products. Then that data management system is to provide the information to the various departments. Then various departments interact and store the data and collate and distribute to the various departments for providing the information to the management. Then management analyze the data and study those companies' performance. That is before the integration of data. Vihan, why we are thought about data integration through manual intervention of data and ineffective utilization of human resources, poor quality of data, delay in getting information, unformatted data. Due to that, we thought about go for data integrations.
So Vihan, as your father told you the process before data integration, where there were 8 steps involved. Now only 5 steps are involved in the process, wherein the salesman will directly get into the information on the data integration app, and he'll go directly to the client and he'll update all the information about the client into the app, and the company will get all the data through that data integration process. Now the departments, all the departments only have to go and click into the normal filters whichever they want, and they get all the data. Firstly, the data was not available to the external parties. Now even the external parties can go and get all the data to the company's social website. So Vihan, after taking the new process of data integration, we have many advantages. The first one being real-time data. So now we have real-time data, with that I mean that whenever we can get data of any department. The second is better collaboration. Now we have a better collaboration in all the teams, because I can get data about any team now, and any team can get data about my team. Okay, so we have a good collaboration amongst the team. And the third one is improved decision making. Now, as the data is very easily available to any department, the decision making has become very easy. The last one being the 360 vision of the company. Now people have a broader view of the company. With that I mean 360 degree means overall view of the company, and this has given a very positive impact on our business.
Thank you, Mummy Papa. Now I will show you data integration in simple manner. These vegetables, these are audit. These for finance, these for HR, and these for sales. From the raw data, we have removed a logic data, which is distinct novel data. Now system will compile all the data. These are the different departments, and system will provide each department the same data, and each department will put necessary filters to get the data. I hope you have understood the data integration process.
Hello teachers and my dear friends. My name is Vivan Chenna. As part of our project Nirman, I am here to speak about my father's profession, who is a banker. My father works with Axis Bank and heads the branch automation and self-service channel. What is branch automation and self-service channel? In branch automation, my father works in simplifying the customer and user experience at branches. Let me introduce my father and know more about his profession. Hello Dad, how are you? Are you enjoying your weekend?
I'm fine, Vivan, thank you. Yes, I'm having a lot of fun in participating with you on your project. So tell me, what do you want to know?
Tell us more about branch automation.
So branch automation simply means performing banking operations without any human intervention.
How do you do that?
We do that by developing applications and deploying self-service kiosks at branches.
Now what is a self-service kiosk?
A self-service kiosk is a device that allows a customer to directly interact or carry out a banking transaction by himself. For example, an ATM, which is used to withdraw cash, a recycler is used to deposit cash, and you have various other multi-function kiosks used for other banking services. So there is no human intervention.
How does self-service kiosk help customers?
So it helps in 3 ways. First is these are contactless, so there is no need for any human interaction or any human intervention. Second is the process is very fast and effective, and third is you can use it any time of the year. So be it a Saturday or a Sunday or any banking holiday, a customer can just go and use these kiosks and perform the transaction anytime of.
Oh, thanks, Dad. This is so exciting. I never thought banking is such an interesting profession. So, Dad, I have a question here. How safe are these kiosks to use?
That's a very nice question, I must say that. So let me tell you this, self-banking is much more safer than the traditional way of banking because it eliminates the risk of human intervention. And secondly, the transactions are carried out in a much more safer and secured network so that your money is always safer.
Now I am going to show you self-service kiosk and what all function it can do. This is a self-service kiosk used in branches. This is used for cash withdrawals and deposits, printing statements, bill payment, opening your accounts, and various other functions. Thank you. Warm welcome to all. Myself Vivan Thakur, grade 2A from NL Dania High School. A very warm welcome, Dad. What is your profession?
I am Mr. Ganga Prasad. I am a mechanical engineer by profession.
How long are you in this profession?
I am since 14 years in these professions.
Have you faced any difficulty in your profession?
Many ups and downs in all the professions as I am worked Bhushan Steels and Omjan Metals Private Limited, and now we are started on my own business known as Vivan Metals.
What to one scientific approach you would like to add to ease out?
Scientific approach is only that self-motivations, hard work, as well as focus on your goals, which is easy or to any fields. Thank you.
Thank you. A very warm welcome to all. Myself Vivan Thakur. Vivan Metals has been started in believe in customer satisfaction as products and services. Coils are slid down in coil cutting machine. As per customer desired shapes as per requirements. Basically, we are deal with clients like Milton, NASA, SKIL, Plastoware. Steel coils are rolls of sheet metal. We would like to implement laser technology in future endeavor. These coils are used in utensils, hospital, industries, and many more. Thank you. These coils are used in utensils, hospital, industries, and many more. Thank you. This is my project, a robot. It has a storage in it and also a camera. We had made it with cardboard. This robot also can give us anything if we want. And look guys, this is not just a toy robot. It has machine in it. It has tires down and this robot has speaker in it and a very large storage, and it can also take out laser from his eyes. He can travel one place to another. This robot is also a robot in which he can get small things in it, and also he can play music. This robot can dance, and if it is made because he can do any activity. We have programmed to do anything if we said to do to this robot. This robot is a futuristic robot. In our future, this robot will be so many. You can see this robot around the world. Thank you. What is your profession?
My profession is business consultant.
How long you had been in this profession?
I have been working in this profession since last 18 years.
Have you faced any difficulty in this profession?
Yes, there were difficulties in this profession.
What one scientific approach you would like to add to is out?
Yes, I think we can have a robotic approach to duplicate the things and the steps for multiple time and multiple times.
Wow!